guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Danny here. Excuse the noise in the background, that's my daughter getting breakfast. Today's video I'm going to be doing something with the leftover. I have two cut-offs from the bench that I did in last week's video, the bar bench which we did, and I'll put a link to that. And I've been using it, we've been using it to drink coffee. I go out there on my computer sometimes and it's really cool. But we do have a few leftover pieces, so I've got this piece here and I have this piece here. And actually what I was thinking about too is covering some little coasters to match. I've been meaning to do that for a while, but now I know exactly what I'm going to do with that. Okay, let's get started. The gold just doesn't go. Looking at it through the camera, it sort of stands out, but normally it doesn't. And every time I look at it, it's really annoying me. for 3 reasons. The first one is what I just said, the gold. It's not dynamic enough. Second one is I think it looks just too much. It's just too much going on there. It looks a bit juvenile to me. And also thirdly I put it on crooked. It's not quite centered, so I'm going to take that decal off and I'm going to put a more simple one on, black, so it stands out more, and that will just be it. Actually, I might even see about putting little handles on the side. So I'll quickly do that and I'll show you the results. I will add a little flower or something to these. To me they just look a little bit plain, I mean, which is good, but it'd be nice to add a pop of colour. When the transfer paper was on, I actually peeled a bit of paint off. I don't mind in the slightest though, because they're meant to be distressed, so that's fine. In the future I might wait a while longer or put more coats of paint on if I don't want the paint to peel, but that's okay. So if you see here, I've got a variety of little flowers and leaves and things. I actually tossed up whether to use these little sayings as well. I could have used those instead of printing them out, but I thought I would just to match the serving tray. So